I purchased this garden tool set because I want a reliable all-in-one option for handling regular yard work without having to constantly buy individual tools. Overall, I'm really pleased with the quality and the versatility it offers. Each piece of the set serves a different purpose, and together they cover almost every basic outdoor cutting and trimming need. The loopers are sturdy and sharp, making it easy to cut through medium-sized branches without much effort. I used them on some overgrown bushes and small tree limbs, and they cut cleanly without bending or sticking. The extendable handsaw is a standout feature for me. It extends to a good length, which really helps with reaching higher branches that I would otherwise need a ladder for. It locks in place securely, so I never felt like it was wobbly or unsafe while sawing through thicker wood. For tougher cuts, it took a little time, but it still handled the job well and gave me peace of mind knowing I didn't need to spend money on a separate pole saw. The 360 degrees grass shears are surprisingly useful too. At first, I didn't think I'd use them much, but they became a go-to tool for trimming around garden beds, sidewalks, and tight corners where my mower can't reach. The rotating blades made it easier to set the right angle, and I like that they save me from awkward bending while trying to get a clean edge. All the tools feel solid and well made. The grips are comfortable, and while the tools do have a little of weight on them, that actually makes them more durable compared to cheaper sets I've tried before.